Advanced Diploma in Engineering. I want to become an engineer. So engineering sounds like an interesting career? Many engineers enjoy the satisfaction of seeing their plans materialize and their team working harmoniously to complete a project. It can be a beneficial career with an even more beneficial salary with continued experience. In the past, the only way to become an engineer was through a civil engineering degree. Nowadays, there are many more avenues to explore without the hassle of university fees or giving up work. Online educational institutes such as the College of Contract Management offer an advanced diploma in engineering, which only involves basic entry requirements. To study this course, you'll need a minimum of grade C in maths and English or a relevant qualification or past experience. Future career prospects. Indeed, engineering is a highly responsible job that requires great skill. Consequently, engineers can make upwards of £40,000 with a few years' experience. More information. Click link in description. College of Contract Management. Study what you love. Apply now.